Namaskar. Starting your day with well-balanced, healthy breakfast would really help in keeping your blood pressure and blood sugar in level. The most important meal of the day is breakfast. Breakfast should consist of a healthiest food to promote a better flow of energy throughout the day. When you don't eat breakfast in the morning, your body produces hormones to compensate for the lower blood sugar level. While the process balances blood sugar, it leads to many side effects. There is a sudden rise in blood pressure, which leads to headache and migraine. Simple dietary and lifestyle management would help to regulate high blood pressure and hypertension. Similarly, making some changes in breakfast would help you to manage your blood pressure. Today, I am going to share one of the best breakfasts for the high blood pressure. Eat this in the morning to keep your blood pressure down. This excellent and healthy dish is called peya. It means rice soup. Let us understand the recipe for peya. Ingredients: red rice 300 grams, water 1500 ml, salt to taste, mustard seed half teaspoon, cumin seed 1 teaspoon, fenugreek seeds 1/4 teaspoon, dry ginger and cinnamon 1/4 inch each, cardamom 1, cloves 2, coconut milk or milk 100 ml. Now understand how to make it. Wash and soak rice for 5 to 10 minutes. Simultaneously roast the mustard, cumin seed, fenugreek, roast it well and powder it. Boil water in a pressure cooker. Once boiled, add salt, ginger or soot, cinnamon, cardamom and clove. Next, add washed rice into it. Add the freshly made powder. Stir well and close the lid of the cooker. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. When there is no more steam, then remove the cover. Add coconut milk or milk and mix it well. Empty this peya into a serving bowl. You can skip coconut milk if it doesn't suit you. Peya has several health benefits, such as rice's natural red color is a very good antioxidant, and that helps fighting free radicals. Second point, its low sugar and glycemic index, as well as significant amount of iron, zinc, manganese, calcium and fibers. This makes a very healthy choice, a very nutritious choice for people suffering from heart problem, diabetes and even obesity would really benefit from this. Third point, because of its high magnesium and iron and medium chain fatty acid contents, it is really beneficial to gut health. Also aids in pulmonary function regulation. So here it is the best breakfast to lower cholesterol naturally and effectively. Apart from having a healthy breakfast, you should also focus on healthy food throughout the day. This will keep your blood pressure in check. You should eat foods rich in fiber, potassium and magnesium. Include fruits like bananas and berries, fresh vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, broccolis, herbs like black cumins, cinnamon, ginger, as well as healthy nuts and seeds. Remember to stay active, have a healthy lifestyle. See to it that you are totally stress-free. Work goes on. You can work with stress or without stress, but you should learn to work without stress to remain healthy. So try all these things and you will notice that your blood sugar, your hypertension, high blood pressure would always be under control and you would be able to enjoy your life. So take care. Namaskar.